So if y'all noticed in some of our past videos, I was pregnant and I am no longer pregnant. So we are really excited to share our nursery with you and how we made it work to have a couple options for guests combined with a nursery. So I love that wallpaper is having a moment again. That was one of the first things I knew was I wanted a cute wallpaper. I went with something that would be traditional and also just very classic little boy. So this is Pepper Home Wallpaper that I fell in love with. This bedding is Serena Lily and Pepper Home. What I love about this bed is it actually pulls out and this second mattress pulls down. So if you were to have guests, because this used to be our guest bedroom, it turns into a full-size bed, and it also comes with storage. So who does not love extra storage? The next thing that we did, if you have your nursery room that has a built-in desk, do not feel the need to pull out the built-in desk or get a changing table. We were able to just turn this into our changing table. One of my absolutely favorite baby things is the Kikaroo changing pad, because it can just get wiped down when you inevitably have a blowout on the changing pad. It's only been 5 weeks and we've already cleaned this multiple times. And the built-in desk will grow with him as he gets older and gets school age. So please don't rip out your built-in desks. Something else a lot of people don't think of is a more traditional rocking chair. It really fits the theme of the nursery, and then our bigger glider from our last one just was too big for the space. We wanted the day bed instead of that. So we went with a smaller rocker, and it has worked just as good as the big fancy glider we had in our first son's nursery. We went with kind of a nautical theme. His middle name is Steven, after my dad, and he absolutely loves sailboats. And his grandpa on the other side is a sailboat person as well. He actually lives on a boat. So this was kind of a nod to his grandfathers. And then even though we wanted to go more classic, I wanted an updated feel. So we went with the Pottery Barn Sloan crib with the clear slats. We thought it made it feel a little more modern and updated with the traditional wallpaper. So I hope you enjoyed seeing our nursery. Let us know what you think.